So from the turtles, we went over and across the island through the high desert, which really looked a lot like California. Back down towards Hilo on the east side of the big island of Hawaii. And we're gonna spend the rest of today kind of absorbing some of the natural features like lava tubes, some caves that we can spelunk. After that, we're going to check out some big waterfalls that we can easily get to, because this is kind of like Hawaii light. It's like diet Hawaii. And you got a 7-month pregnant woman, so we're not doing any crazy strenuous hikes or 4x4, and you know, we're here to relax. Hopefully we won't fall into the cave and get lost. Wild chickens of Hawaii. Whoa, they're all over the place. There's one way over there, one way here. Oh, there's one up there. These chickens own this place. Warning, no flip-flops. No, I'm just kidding. No walkway, no lights. Enter and exit. I don't know what's gonna happen. Exploration time. 2 miles of lava tube, with some of these tunnels having 30-foot ceilings. There's the bats. Do you see sparkles up there? It's a good sign. It means if it doesn't collapse, one day it might have some beautiful features. Right before you get to downtown Hilo, it stops raining, and also you get to Rainbow Falls, which is just a quick 10-step walk from the parking lot to an amazing waterfall. Check it out. Something Brianna and I noticed, all the rain seems to happen above a certain elevation. It's very strange, isn't it? I mean, I think it's strange, but it's very moist up at the top of the mountain. And then at the bottom, it's usually pretty dry by the beaches. Last night, under the cover of darkness, we arrived at our second Airbnb on the east, kind of southern Puna district side of the Big Island. This is our second Airbnb. Someone tiled the entire outside of it. The owner here who built this was definitely quite eccentric. Have a look at some of the details inside. Really pretty ceilings. There's an 18-foot lava wall on the back. The kitchen kind of leaves something to be desired, but that's okay. And then a couple stairs up takes you to the master area, where I have a resting pregnant wife. Hello, Brianna.
Hey.
And then you can also see the ocean with a peekaboo view. And then we have a cute little atrium here that looks out into the front yard sculpture garden. I'm starting to see a trend with these Hawaiian houses, is you get kind of like a half bath, and then an outdoor shower, which I kind of want one. I want an outdoor shower. I've been wanting an outdoor shower, but now I want one even more. This place came with some free coconuts, and it's got a nice little veranda, a nice little protected little porch out here. Hello and welcome to Isaac Hale Beach Park. It's got black sand, but not just any black sand. This beach is only 1 year old. It was formed last year during lava flows that came through. Now it used to be a beach park, but now it's a better beach park. And the current brings all that fresh lava sand, because when the right conditions happen and lava touches ocean water, it explodes and turns into sand. So all that sand was carried to the beach park that kind of already existed here. So it used to have a boat ramp, which has now been turned into a lagoon. This is the world's newest beach. You can see behind me where the old shoreline was, because there's trees. Everything that's black is brand new. The lava flow had come down this side behind me, and then all the sand kind of washed down here and formed the new beach. Dynamic. That's what this is. Dynamic beaching. Just behind the new beach, there's a bunch of little lagoons, and some of them have geothermal heating. It's quite a nice feature. They're warm pools. They're not quite hot pools. Probably about 90 degrees, maybe a little bit warmer, Brianna says. Oh, but they feel good. These warm pools have their own ecosystem. There's fish in here and crabs, all sorts of stuff. Humans, there's a human back there floating around. And there's a sign that says, enter at your own risk, because of the high temperature and it's not filtered. There could be bacteria and things like brain-eating amoebas, which nobody wants. So, hey, keep all the orifices above water. You'll be driving along in Hawaii over a dense canopy in a lush tropical forest, and then all of a sudden, a lava flow just stops you dead in your tracks. We need to make sure that we're right spiritually and that all the gods are protecting us. So we're gonna make a sacrifice to Pele. We got some trail mix and we're eating this trail mix, and our favorite part of this trail mix is the wasabi peas. So we're gonna make an offering of 2 wasabi peas to Pele and hope that she watches over us and keeps us safe here while we're in Hawaii. We'll find out if that works soon. Otherwise, if you don't hear from us, we may have been swallowed by lava. We noticed there was a bunch of chickens waiting at the street to cross the road. And when I say a bunch, I mean like 50 of them. What are you feeding them?
Pizza.
Oh, pizza. Brianna, what do we do with our extra food in Hawaii?
We feed feral chickens.
Oh, they're happy chicks. We're not the only ones. Everyone's feeding the chicks. These are the roadside chicks. The wild chickens of Hawaii. Welcome to the Hawaii Botanical Gardens here in Hilo. There's 3 botanical gardens in the Big Island. This one is the biggest and most diverse. Welcome to Fern Circle. Hey, funny meeting you here.
Dumb cane.
Cane?
Dumb.
Dumb cane. I guess does it grow slowly?